Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review and demo of the Jenna Heated Eyelash Curler. It is a pretty cool thing. You're supposed to use it after mascara application to curl your eyelashes, and it's supposed to not damage your lashes or anything. And apparently traditional eyelash curlers can do that. I didn't know that. That was something I learned from this product. I was sent it through Octoly, but as you guys know, I'm always 100% honest with my reviews. And I actually did a pretty thorough test of this product. I start out this video with mascara on one eye, and on the other eye I have none, and I compare it against a traditional eyelash curler. So if you want to see the results and what I think of this product, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I've already applied mascara on this eye and no mascara on this eye, because for the heated eyelash curler, it is recommended use after mascara application. So it comes with a battery. I have already inserted my battery. And you are supposed to turn it on. This is what it looks like. There's a green light that shows you that it's on. And then it says let it heat up for 20 seconds. For top eyelashes, place the heated combo section right under the eyelash line, carefully lifting and holding eyelashes against the eyelid for up to 10 seconds. Switch eyes, repeat up to 3 times or until you achieve the look you like. And then it says after you switch it off, let the curler cool for 30 seconds. So I decided it would be kind of cool if I did one eye using a regular eyelash curler and one eye using the heated one to see what the difference is, if there is a difference. So I think I've been talking for 20 seconds, so this is probably heated up. All right. It's kind of warm. I'm holding it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It does seem more lifted. I don't know about you guys. My eyes do water a little bit after I use this, but holy cow, my eyelashes look a lot more lifted. I don't know if you guys tell the difference, but I definitely do. I'm going to do it 3 times, as it says you can repeat it up to 3 times. So we're going to go again. We're going to do it one last time. Wow, they like almost touch my eyebrows because they're so curled. I'm going to try and do this side one more time so it can lift a little bit more. They look very, very lifted. Like, wow, my eyelashes look good. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it off and let it cool down, and then I'm going to use my regular eyelash curler and apply mascara and see how it works. I would like to say that this did make my eyes water a little bit because of the heat near my lash line, but that might just be my sensitivity to heat and stuff on my eyes. I don't know if any of that would happen to you guys, but they look really nice. Alright, so I'm just using a regular old Revlon eyelash curler and the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. I always use the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. I'm just going to curl my lashes how I would. I normally don't curl my lashes like at all, ever, honestly. But let's see if it is a difference. I always get really messy too, so prepare for that. Look how messy I am. I already have gunk on my eyelids. Alright, so this is just one layer of mascara, but I can definitely tell a difference. These eyelashes are a lot more lifted than these. They just sit like higher on my face. Like you can tell a difference. These look way better. I honestly wasn't expecting those results. Like I didn't think it would be that dramatic. I'm going to let this layer of mascara dry, and I'm going to put on another layer, and then we'll really see what the final results are. Alright, let me just clear up all of the mascara that got on my eyelid. Okay, these are my eyelashes. I can definitely tell a difference. This eye looks way better than this eye. These lashes are kind of droopy. If they were just pushed up a little bit, they would look so much better. I have to see how much this thing costs before I really give my final verdict, because I'm probably going to use it again if I have time in the mornings. It does add a little bit of extra time onto your daily routine, but let's see how much this is. Let me scoot back actually. Okay, so I looked it up, and the Jenna eyelash curler is $22, and I have a coupon code for 15% off. You can use my code capital C. You spell Jenna, but it has a capital C, 20, and you get 20% off. So I don't know what price I would put it at, but it is not terribly expensive. Like, I did expect it to be more expensive. It's about twice the price of a normal eyelash curler. I think mine was like $8 or $9. On their website, it says, say goodbye to the crimping and pinching caused by traditional lash curlers. This sleek, safe, and gentle heating wand is designed to enhance the appearance of your lashes. It's to be used after mascara application. It gently warms lashes to deliver long-lasting curl, and you can now receive maximum curl without damaging your eyelashes for a beautiful polished look. So I do think it works. I didn't think it was a gimmick. It was a pretty substantial difference. I will fix this eye afterwards and make them look the same, but I will keep using it. If you have money to spare, I think it'd be a cool thing to add into your makeup routine. If you don't, then you're not going to miss out a crazy bunch, but I do have a coupon code if you want to use it. This product was sent to me by Octoly, but again, I always use my full honest opinions, and honestly, it's cool, but I don't think I'm going to use it every day. It's just kind of a nice little thing to have when I want to give my lashes an extra boost. But if you are a lash curler person every day, then maybe you want to try this out. Or if you're like me and you don't really curl your eyelashes, then this is not really the product for you. So that is my final thoughts. I say buy it if you have the money and you like curling your eyelashes. But if you don't, then that's fine too. You're not going to miss out a crazy bunch on this product. So yeah, if you guys want to buy it, I will have it linked down below. And don't forget to use my coupon code if you do. I don't get any money off of that. It's just to save you guys some money. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.